Hello everyone, welcome back to my live session. So let's wait for a couple of seconds for a few more viewers to join us for the today's session. Right, so hello everyone, I'm Kavita Wilson, Manager India for Eton College, and welcome back to my live session with Akshay from Apple Abroad Solutions. Apple Abroad Solution is a 26-year-old firm in the field of foreign studies, and they specialize in student recruitment for countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, US and UK. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe during this tough situation of COVID-19. So today our agenda for the session is to update you about the programs, the intakes and the requirements that we have at Eton College. We will start with the location part. So the location is we are established in Vancouver downtown, so that's the heart of the city. We are there since 2003, so we are a 16 years old college now. Eton College is in Vancouver downtown and is very strategically located in terms of location. So when we talk about Vancouver and International Airport, that's the nearest airport from our campus, and that's just 16 kilometers away. We have Vancity Metro Station, that's just 1 minute away from the campus, and we have 97 plus hotels, motels and resorts around the campus. Talking about the climatic condition of Vancouver, temperature of Vancouver is little warmer when you compare it with other provinces. So during summers it is like 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, and during winters it is 2 to -5 degrees Celsius. So we have snowfall, but we have limited snowfall, right? Now also because of the good climatic conditions, you will see that Vancouver is actually termed as number 3 in terms of tourist destination in Canada. Vancouver is also termed as one of the most livable cities in terms of food, air and water quality, and you can refer to Wikipedia website to have more details about the accommodation and the campus and also about the climatic and the temperature conditions of Vancouver. Now talking about the accreditations of Eton College, Eton College is certified by EQA, that's Education Quality Assurance, and this is a designation given to a public or a private college that meets or exceeds the quality standards as set by British Columbia Ministry. We also fall under category 1 by British Columbia Ministry in terms of support and quality of education that we provide to the students. We are a DLI approved college, and you can refer to our DLI number on cic.canada website. Now let's come to the programs, the important part of this session. But before that, if you have any queries regarding the program or admission requirements, you can use the chat box and you can message all your queries there. I'll cover your queries towards the end of the session. So to talk about the programs, Eton College, we offer diploma programs, and upon successful completion of program at Eton College, students are eligible to transfer their credits to one of the partner universities within Canada. Now we have articulation programs with universities within Canada and also within British Columbia. So we offer articulation programs with Capilano University, Royal Road University and Vancouver Community College. So a student has an option to transfer their credits to one of these universities and complete their diploma or bachelor's program. To ensure a smooth transfer of student study plan, Eton College pathway staff will assist the student to prepare the applications and also to have a smooth progression to the university. Right, so now let's talk about the 4 categories of programs that we offer at Eton College. We offer 2+2 degree options, 1+1 diploma option, 1+3 degree option and co-op program. So let's go one by one. So we offer like 2+2 degree options, wherein we have 2 programs. We have business administration with a major in hospitality management. So this program, after completion of program at Eton College, student is eligible to transfer their credits to Royal Road University or Vancouver Community College towards a bachelor's in hospitality management. right? Now the second program is like business administration with a majors in travel and tourism management. Now this program gives you a credit transfer towards Capilano University or Royal Road University towards a bachelor's in tourism management. So these two are the 2+2 degree options that we have. Next is our diploma program. So we have like 1+1 diploma, wherein we offer travel and tourism management and travel, tourism and flight attendant preparation course. So in this case, the student is like studying for say 1 year at Eton College, wherein they earn 30 credits. These 30 credits are transferable to Capilano University towards a diploma in tourism management. Now similarly, like you can do a 1+1 or you can do a 1+3 for these two programs. So like we have travel and tourism management and we have travel, tourism and flight attendant preparation course. So you can also study like say 1 year at Eton and 3 years at Capilano University towards a bachelor's in tourism management. So these are the three categories. Now let's move on to the last category that we have, that's tourism and hospitality Canadian experience co-op. So this is a combination of classroom and paper work experience. This program gives you semester 2 and semester 4. The student has an option to do an internship, which is a part of his program and which will be a 40 hours per week internship. The internships can be paid or unpaid, so that totally depends upon the situation, but then definitely this program gives you a hands-on paper work experience, which is a part of your program. We as a college, we help you to find these internships, and we also help you to look after that your internship is in your field of study itself. Okay, now let's move on to the admission requirements and the application procedure. So we look for one of the English requirements. So it can be an IELTS of 6 overall with no module less than 5.5, or a TOEFL of 61, or a PTE of 54 with no module less than 48. We also look for Duolingo test of English and a score of 105 to 110. Right, so one of the English requirements is mandatory to be met. When we talk about the academic requirements, we accept grade 12 student with 55% overall in grade 12 with no module less than 45. Now there are certain students who do a diploma instead of grade 12. So if you have done a 2 years of diploma after your grade 10 instead of your grade 12, that is acceptable. Right, if you have done a diploma from some other country, let's say Singapore, US or some other country, and now you would like to transfer your credits to one of the Canadian colleges, we accept transfer of credit from these countries as well. Now how many credits will be transferred, that really depends upon the subjects that you have studied. So for that you will have to send your scorecard and your program details for evaluation, but then definitely you have an option of credit transfer from universities like Singapore or USA if you are willing to transfer. Right, so a 10th plus 12th grade is acceptable, a 10th plus 2 years of diploma is acceptable, a 10th plus 1 year of diploma is not acceptable. So definitely grade 12 is mandatory, or a 2 years of diploma is mandatory. Right, now let's move on to the admission requirements. Now see, as other than all the other boards like CBSE board and ICSE board and all the other boards, we also accept NIOS, distance learning and open schooling. Right, so even students from these boards can apply, and the admission requirement remains same for students from these boards also. Now talking about the application procedure, we have we had an application fees of 100 CAD, but right now due to COVID-19 we are offering a waiver of application fees. So right now there is no application fee, so you can use this opportunity and start applying and get your offer letters in hand. Right, now we also have a seat confirmation deposit of 6,000 Canadian dollar, which is a part of your tuition fees. Okay, now the 4 categories of programs that I explained to you, you have 2 options there. Either you can study these programs on campus or you can study it online. So due to COVID-19, as there are certain travel restrictions, we have started offering online programs. Now the only condition for you to be eligible for the online program is you should have a valid student visa. When I say a valid student visa, it means either you got a visa but you were not able to travel because of the certain travel restrictions, or you are already in Canada and you are not able to attend your classes. In that case, you can apply for our online program. Now the tuition fees for our online program is 2990 CAD per semester. That's very reasonable, right? 2990 CAD per semester. So for a year it is like 5980 CAD. When I talk about our annual tuition fees for our on-campus program, it ranges from 13,200 to 13,800 CAD for a year, which is also pretty affordable. Now, talking about the online program again, as I told you, your semester fees is just 2990 CAD. In case you fall under our early bird discount category, you may have few more discounts on your tuition fees. So for being eligible for early bird discount, you have to apply early. Right now, I hope if I will repeat here now. If any of the viewers have any questions, you can use the chat box and you can message your question there, and I'll be covering your questions towards the end of the session. Right now, why should somebody study at Eton? So at Eton we focus at applied learning program. When I say applied learning program, that means every program that we offer at Eton has practicum attached to it. So we offer practicum based programs. Now the practicum hours can vary from 150 hours to 300 hours depending upon the program that you choose. Let's say you have applied for, say, business administration with a majors in hospitality management. In that case, your practicum hours is like 300 hours. That means it's a 4 months of internship that you're doing. Whereas like we also have diploma programs in travel and tourism management. So in case you go for a diploma program, your practicum hours are 150 hours per for the program. So that's like 2 months of your internship. Okay, now we also have like small classroom sizes, so we have not more than 30 students per batch because we focus on a good student to faculty interaction ratio. We also focus on students' career and students' professional development, and we also invite industry guest speakers, and we have a lot of industrial visits as a part of your program. We also have career preparation workshop that can help you when you're looking for a job prospect at your future after your studies. Right, so at last, I believe there are no questions in the chat box and we are almost approaching the end of the session. So at last, I would like to cover the facts and figures of tourism industry in Canada. So according to the statistics, British Columbia had say 21 million tourists in 2018-19, and there are more than 3 lakh employment opportunities just in the field of tourism and hospitality industry. Also, if you refer to CanadianEncyclopedia.ca, you will find out that air transportation is the largest service industry in Canada. So we at Eton College, we offer unique service-based programs, and I would request you all to please visit our Facebook page and our YouTube channel and stay tuned and see what's happening at our campus. Right, so any further information that you need, you can connect with Akshay from Apple Abroad Solutions, and he will be happy to guide you with your admissions and your application procedure. So I would like to end the session here. So thank you, Akshay, for giving me an opportunity to have this live webinar, and thank you everyone for attending the session today. Stay safe, stay home, have a great day.